And on page 122 in your book is really an important chart, and I want you to look at it, and because it's kind of tricky, but not too if you really dissect this. And so percent proportions are two equal ratios or two equal fractions, but one of the fractions is a percent. And part of that is there are three different types. So you can find the percent. So it says what percent? You're looking for what percent? So that would be x over 100 of 5 is 4. So 4 is the part, 5 is the whole. So you're looking at playing around with two ratios or two fractions, and this is always an x, and the other part is always 100 here. So let's look at the other type. Let's turn the color. So the other one is not finding the percent, but finding the part. On all fractions, you have parts and wholes. The numerator would be the part. The denominator would be the whole. So find the part. Okay, so you already have the percent. So it would be, it is. What number, we're looking for a number this time, not the percent, is 80%, there's your percent, of 5. So if you're looking at this, you want to know what number. So what number is x? And we already have the 80% here. So let's fill in what we need here. X, and the bottom part would be 5 of the denominator. So what number is 80% of 5? 5 is the total, so it goes on the bottom, or the whole. And the third type would be, let's do black, it would be find the whole. So if we find the part, we can find the percent, and we can also find the whole. So you have to know your fraction parts. And something like that would be 4 is 80% of what number? Okay, and I'm going to move it up here a little bit. So 4 is 80%. Well, we have 80%, so let's set that up easy. And now we have x and a 4. The whole thing, find the whole, so the whole would be the x on the bottom, and the 4 would be the numerator because it's part of it. So those three equations are what we're going to be playing with in this lesson. We'll go over this in class, but please ask questions. Thank you.